Hi, good morning, afternoon or evening, depending on your time. This is NBC Media, based in the UK. Today's topic is about having your say. The former Border Force boss comments about illegal migration hitting crisis levels. And if Boris won't turn back the boats, what he should be doing, tell me if you agree or not, if they want to come to the UK, they need to make the case on the French side. And if they are found to be in the waterways or the channel, or even make it as far as Dover, we should say, I'm sorry, but you go back there. And that's where they should be interviewed and processed on the French side. As I say, tell me what you think. And don't forget, you can comment on Facebook on the group Have Your Say. Thank you. Speak soon.